Hey guys, welcome back to another video inside of Minecraft. So today what I thought I would do was I would just I was just gonna explore and stuff. Oh, so I built this big heart because it's the heart heel, is what I call it. It's the heart heel. And we punch the secrets. So, if it's like the lighting's a little weird, it's because I just set this up like 2 minutes ago. Because I wanted to record one before everybody got up and stuff. So, what's that noise? Creepy. So, yeah, I was mining some iron and stuff, and yeah, so what I was gonna do is mine some more coal and get stuff all good, and I was gonna make some torches. Well, if you saw me talking to somebody in the background, it was my nanny. Just saying. So, wait, what? Wait, does this block have to come out again? There, okay. Took forever, but whatever. Let's see what we can make. We're gonna make pink carpet. Oh yeah, we need the furnace. But first we can shear the sheep. That beautiful heart. Look at that beautiful heart. Yeah. So I was thinking about getting you away. Bye-bye. Yo, get back in the water. Get in the water. Whoa, whoa. Now let's go harvest our sugar cane. I'm eventually probably gonna have like a cake farm thingy-majig. Yeah. So we're gonna have a cake. Oh wait, the carrots have grown. What do? You punch them? You don't get them apparently. Eat 3 carrots. It's good. Cause now I can plant 3 carrots in the ground. And then I can eat 2. I'm just joking. You plant all over carrots. Okay. Look at all my sweet berries. They look so sweet. You should have just been a trader, not a wandering one. Taking your leads and I'm running. Running. If I sound like not as loud, it's because I just woke up. Literally, it feels like 2 minutes ago I woke up. Which was probably true. Let's take you. Oh, whoops. My PC's gone down in its percentage of battery. Oh, that's okay. I planted back some of it. Now what I need is some more space in my inventory for all this great sugar cane I have. Look at all that sugar cane. Why does sugar cane grow so fast? It does, though. That's so cool. Fast. So what I need to start rounding up if I'm going to make this chicken, or not chicken factory, this cake factory is chickens and what's the other thing? Oh wait, why is there a ripped hole in my core? Did I do that? I might have. I don't know. Let's just replace it for right now with pink wool. Let's replace some of the stuff that isn't full. I know nobody would notice this except for me. Put that there. Oh, I'm out. Go back in. Close that. Boom. Bed. Boom. Bed. Okay, we're actually getting somewhere. I don't know. I wonder what carrots taste like. I know what they taste like, but like, look at all these sweet berries. I'll just harvest a couple. Now what do I have to find to get it? I need a cow. I need cow. I need a cow. I need a 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 chickens. We'll get as many chickens as we can. Even though I don't see any chickens. But if I do see any chickens, I will hopefully try to catch them. Ooh, moo cow. Mr. Moo Cow, come here. Mr. Moo Cow. Wait a sec. Is this where I found the lava pit? That's the lava pit. Okay. Well, you're going to be tied up, and then I'm going to make a thing. Hey, look at me when I talk. Here, you look at me. You look at me when I talk to you. He learned a lesson. Keep moving over this way. Where'd he go? Okay, you're still behind me. This battle is about to explode. Fight. 2 hits and she's dead. Wow. Put you up there. I like this sunflower thing. I like it. Wait, who won? Was it you? I think it was you. Yeah, it was you. Eat a sweet berry. Sweet berry. This way. Young Squire. Did I bring the water buckets? Or I brought buckets of water. But I didn't want to bring them with water in it. Because my way is a very weird way of making, instead of using diamonds, which I have, I use my, like, primitive way, sort of using any type of stone, except for iron, because, I mean, it's not like a stone, but it's like I don't know, it's like a, So how I'm gonna build this is it's gonna be underwater, very hard to see, but you can find it. And the other thing is, if anything comes through it, and I leave the gate or something open, then that's that. Now we go down. Put one there, one there. Then you go up. Now you put this water there. know why I filled that up with water. It's it's more running back and forth. I mean, you didn't have to use diamonds, so yeah, it's way easier, I think, personally. Because diamonds are valuable and precious. I wish that was like a big cave system, but it's not. It's probably like a dead end or something. Yeah. Take you, and I take you. Yeah. Wait, where was the water? I went this way, right? Yeah. I wish something would fight me. Come at me, bro. Look at my beautiful house over there. Look at the heart heal way over there. I think I did good. It's just not symmetrical. Symmetrical. Okay, and let's go down. I'm trying to. Okay, now you go back up. You go back to get the lava. So when I play off camera and I play on a world on my iPad, I think, and my phone, or no, it's just my iPad. I use it a lot and stuff. I use that world. Yes. Yeah, that was my nanny talking to me. So yeah. The reason this lighting might be bad, like behind me and stuff, is because I literally came in here and set it up again. I love sprinting. So much fun. And then you can swim faster. It's gonna be so nice. Wait, where's the portal? Oh, there it is. Wait, let's take air. Go back down. Go back down. This is not how probably normal people would put an end portal together. They just use diamonds. No, you do the primitive way. You're probably like, how are you going to get this thing to light? Well, I might be able to show you in this video. If not, I will hopefully be able to in the next. Yeah. Click, 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 click. Okay, let's take you lava and my lava. My lava. Let's go back. What's a nonsense shell do? Comment down below if you know what a nonsense shell does. I have no idea. What is that? It's my moo cow. There's another cow. So now I am going down here. Oh no, I'm not gonna have enough. Wait, is it 4 by 2? Is that right? I think that's right. Right? I think so. Yeah. Meow. Make such weird noises and stuff. Well, looks like today, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Whoops. In the next video, I will be finishing that. And, bye!